Hi everyone. Today I'll be comparing two vibrant celebrations: Bonfire Night in the UK and Day de los Muertos in Mexico. Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night celebrates on November 5th, commemorates the falling of the Gunpowder Plot in 1605. People light bonfires, set off fireworks, and gather with friends and family. It's a time for community and remembrance, which tradition, including the burning of an awful of live fake. Day de los Muertos. In contrast, Day de los Muertos, or Day of Dead, in celebrates on November 1st and 2nd. This Mexican holiday honors the seed loves on which colorful altars, offerings, and parades. Families gather to celebrate life, brighten and joyful. Atmospheres filled with food, music, and decoration. Conclusion: both celebrations reflect cultural values. Bonfire Night emphasizes historical remembrance, while Day del Snower focus on honoring and celebrating life. Thanks, thanks for listening.